Let's see how you can set up your user profile. To access your profile, go to Users and then click Your Profile. You have a set of options here. I will explain you one by one. The first one is you can enable or disable this visual editor. The best option is to leave this checkbox unticked so that you leave the visual editor enabled. Now you have got 8 different admin color schemes. Select any of them. Let me click coffee color scheme. The color scheme that you choose changes the admin area immediately. If you want to use keyboard shortcuts to moderate the comments, that is reviews, in case of e-commerce site, you can enable these keyboard shortcuts. To get a list of keyboard shortcuts, click on this more information links. In this link, you can see several shortcuts, and in this keyboard shortcuts for comment section, you have several shortcuts like pressing A approves the currently selected comment, S marks it as spam, D deletes the current comment, Z restores the comment, U unapproves the comment or initiates a quick reply. Q activates quick edit and E navigates to edit screen of the current comment. You can do several bulk options too, and the keyboard shortcuts will be just adding Shift key with the earliest said letters, that is Shift plus A approves the checked comments. But before pressing Shift plus A, you should choose multiple comments to do this bulk action. You can also refer this documentation if you want to play with keyboard shortcuts to perform actions on comments. Now come back to profile page. Here the username fields has got the name Arun. It's my username to this WordPress website. The username cannot be changed. It can be set up only once during the WordPress installation. You can enter your first name and last name, but the required one is nickname, which will be displayed alongside the post which you author. Let me enter my last name, first name, and rename my nickname. You can choose how to display your name in public, that is, in the post that you author. There are different combinations of the first name, last name, and nickname you have provided. I am choosing to display my nickname alone. In the contact info, there are two fields. First one is email, which is the compulsory field, and this email you would have provided while doing WordPress installation. You can enter your website here, and this website URL should be something different from the current website. You may enter the link to some of your personal profiles. Here comes the biographical info. Just write a few words about yourself in this biographical info. If your theme supports it, then this biographical info will be displayed below the post that you author. You can generate a new password using this generate password button, and regarding the sessions field, that is log out everywhere else, logs you out from any other device that you have logged in. Let's assume that you have logged in this WordPress site in devices such as your phone, your PC, and your office computer. Assume that now you are using your personal laptop. Then in such case, if you click log out everywhere else, you will be automatically logged out of WordPress in other devices such as phone, PC, as well as any public computer that you have logged in before. Now you can see the customer billing address as well as customer shipping address. You are the admin of this site, but if you are the customer, then you can fill out the details such as name, your company, address, city, postcode, country, and your mobile as well as email address for both billing and shipping address, so that you can fast forward your checkout process when you check out the cart. These two sections, that is customer billing address and customer shipping address, are inserted by WooCommerce plugin. If you have not installed WooCommerce, then these sections would not be visible on this user profile. Once you have made all these entries or changes, click Update Profile to save the changes that you have made. You can view the list of users or customers by going to Users and then All Users. You can do bulk actions here by selecting them and choosing one of the bulk actions. The only bulk action that is available to you is delete. You can even change the role to shop manager or customer, etc. If you want to manually add users, then go to Users and click Add New. The compulsory fields are username and email, in which username cannot be changed later, but email can be changed by the person for whom you are creating this profile. You have got other fields such as name, website, and password. You can change the role of the new user too. After entering the details, click Add New Users to create that user. Let me create a profile for the shop manager. If you click Show Password, you will be generated and given a default password by WordPress. You can also enter custom password, which will be sent to the user email address that you are entering here. Once you have clicked the Add New button, you will be moved to All Users screen, where you can see the new user that you have created.